Okay, so I was talking to one of my cousins today, and he had saw my YouTube channel, my new YouTube channel. So he was asking me, he had said, I always wanted to do one of those. So he's around the same age I am, 60. There, I said it, 60. And so he wanted to know how to do it. So I told him a few steps that he needed to take, and then he kept calling back with more and more questions. A lot of the stuff wasn't easy for him to understand. Smart guy, but not into all this new tech stuff. So I know a bit more than he does. So what I decided to do was not just for him, I put together a step-by-step, simple, very simple instructions on how, with graphics also, on how to start your own first YouTube channel if you're in your 60s. There, I said it again, 60s. So what I'm gonna do, I'm out here doing a little bit of a walk. I decided today was the day that I start trying to walk a bit. And I wanted to explain this. So this is just gonna be the opening. Coming right up, you'll see the graphics I created for my cousin and you guys to start your own YouTube channel if you're 60 plus. I think I said it again. So stay tuned, it's coming up right about now. Okay, here we are. Create a Google account. You'll need a Google account to use YouTube. So you're gonna follow that link. You're gonna go to that link right there where it says accounts.google.com, and you're going to create an account. And then you're gonna follow the steps. It'll walk you right through the whole process. It's very simple. Actually, a lot of you may already have a Gmail account, and you can use that Gmail account, but I recommend creating a separate Gmail account for your YouTube channel. Next, after you click Create Account, you're gonna follow the instructions. You're gonna enter your name, you're gonna enter your email address, and you're gonna create a unique password. Now make sure you write all this information down somewhere on a little piece of paper, or you create a text file that you can store this information in, because it's gonna be hard to remember when you need it at a rush or you need to do something to your account. Next step, you're gonna go to YouTube, and you're gonna find YouTube at www.youtube.com, and you're gonna click the profile icon in the top right, and you're gonna select Create a Channel. So it's really simple. You'll see right there, you'll see the profile icon is where that little shadow of a person is right there. That's gonna ultimately be your picture, but you're gonna give your channel a name, and you're gonna create a channel. The next step is you're gonna pick your channel name. You can use your name, or you can make up a brand or a product, whatever the name of your YouTube channel will be. Don't worry, you can always change this later. Keep it short and easy to remember, and related to whatever kind of videos you're gonna make on your channel. Next, you're gonna add a profile picture and a banner. A profile picture is a picture of your face or your logo for your business or whatever image you want to represent your YouTube channel. And a banner is an image that shows at the very top of your channel. Think of a banner as like a movie poster or writing on top of a movie marquee. So it's gonna have some images that represent what kind of videos you're gonna be making, or it's gonna have some images of your name. It's gonna tell what you're going to be talking about. It's gonna tell what you are interested in as far as putting the content on your YouTube channel. Now, don't worry about this either, because you can always go back and make these better. So you're just getting started. It could be very basic. The banner can be very basic, or you can even leave the banner just as a color for now, because you're just getting started and none of this is final. You can always make changes, so don't worry about it. It's not a one-time thing. And here's a sample of the banner. The banner for now could look as simple as "Welcome to my channel." It's going to be that wide image up there in the orange with the 2 stars. It's not going to look like that, but you can make your banner look any way you want while you're starting. It's a wide image that shows at the top of your channel. And it's kind of like the welcome page. It's kind of like the sign that you put up in your home where it says, "Welcome home, happy birthday." But you want it to say something about your channel. And it could also show images of what you plan to create. So again, don't worry, all this can be changed later. Right now, we're just getting started. So here is the banner size, and this is pixels, 20, 48, by 1152. And if you look that up, if you don't understand what that is, you can look that up on Google and it will explain to you what the banner size is, and you can even get templates to create your banner. I recommend creating your banner in Canva. It's very simple. Maybe you can get someone to help you if you're not familiar with it, but you can go to Canva and you can get a free account and you can create your banner at that size, 2048 1152 pixels. But again, it can stay blank for right now. You're just getting started. You want to get your channel set up, and you can always go back and make any changes that you want. Next, you're going to write your channel description, and that's going to be where you tell everyone what your channel is about, who you are, what kind of videos you will post, what kind of videos you will make, and how often you plan to make videos. So again, this can change. You can write some ideas that you hope to accomplish, but you don't have to stick to them. You're not locked into anything. All this is flexible. This is just getting you guys off the ground with your first YouTube channel. So don't worry if I say something wrong or you spell something wrong. Don't worry about it. You can fix it later. So then you're going to shoot your first video. And I recommend shooting it simple with your cell phone. See the young lady in the picture, she's holding her cell phone horizontal. That's what you want to do. You want to shoot it horizontal, like if it's a television program, not vertical. Do not shoot vertical to start. So make your video short. Just introduce yourself. Maybe you want to shoot outside underneath a shady tree so that it looks nice and bright and it looks good. Do not shoot in the bright sun. You want to look good for your first video. So someplace shady, someplace nice, where you can shoot your very first video to welcome all your potential viewers to your very first YouTube channel. Then, once the video is shot, you're going to connect your phone to your computer, or it's possible to upload the video from your phone to your YouTube channel. So you're going to select upload, follow the steps, and you're going to enter a short title, you're going to enter a short description, and you can enter a thumbnail, but you don't have to worry about that now. We can go back and put thumbnails in later. And you're going to enter tags. Tags are little words that tell what the video is about. And that's so that the artificial intelligence inside YouTube can know what your video is about, and it will know who to send your videos to. So don't worry about thumbnails right now. Don't worry about tags. You're going to do all that later. I will teach you that in a separate video. And next, after that, you're ready to share your channel. Share it with some family and friends so they can help you look at any errors you may have made, make suggestions, ask family and friends to like and comment and subscribe to your channel. It really helps. So there you have it, a very simple, basic, slow speaking way to start your first YouTube channel. Now there's a lot more that you're going to need to know, but this is the very basic to get you going. Hope that information was really easy for you to understand. I got to get my eye line straight on this new camera. I just got, my new phone. And as you can see, I'm out of shape. I haven't been walking that much. So I'll be doing more of these walking videos so I can get out from behind the edit station where I sit most of the time doing my YouTube editing. So I hope this information is helpful. Watch it over and take notes. And that's just the beginning of it. There's a lot more to it, but that's the basics, given at a slow pace so that everyone, no matter how non-technical you are, can follow it. And get your YouTube channel up. This YouTube is not just for the young people to get out there and make all the money. We can do it too. I know there's a number of successful people in our age group that are making money on YouTube. I watch a lot of them, and you can do it too. So I hope this helps, and I will see you in the next one.